If you've ever experienced the frustration of a zipper coming off track, you know how annoying it can be. Whether it's on a jacket, backpack, or pair of pants, a zipper that slips off can render the item unusable unless you know how to fix a zipper that came off track without cutting. Fortunately, with a little patience and the right technique, you can easily solve this problem without having to replace the zipper or cut anything. To start, it's important to understand what causes a zipper to come off track. This typically happens when the teeth of the zipper don't align properly or the slider becomes misaligned. Sometimes the fabric surrounding the zipper can get caught, preventing it from closing smoothly. Whatever the cause, knowing how to fix a zipper that came off track without cutting can save you both time and money. The first step in how to fix a zipper that came off track without cutting is to inspect the zipper closely. Look for any bent or damaged teeth. If the teeth seem fine, try to gently pull the slider back to the starting position at the bottom of the zipper. Do this slowly, as forcing it could damage the zipper further. Next, carefully align the zipper teeth back into the slider. It can be tricky, but take your time. If the teeth are caught in the slider, use a pair of pliers to gently squeeze the slider open, just enough to allow the teeth to slide back into place. Once the teeth are aligned, slowly pull the slider up to see if it moves smoothly along the track. If it does, you've successfully reattached the zipper without cutting. In some cases, you may find that the zipper teeth are too far out of alignment. If this happens, you can use a needle and thread to temporarily secure the zipper. Stitch through the fabric near the zipper, creating small, tight stitches to hold the teeth in place while you reattach the slider. This temporary fix can help you close the zipper while you figure out how to fix a zipper that came off track without cutting. But it's not a long-term solution. If you're still having trouble, or if the zipper is damaged beyond repair, it may be time to replace the zipper entirely. However, many times, simply realigning the teeth and carefully working the slider back into position will solve the problem without the need for cutting or replacing the entire zipper. Now that you know how to fix a zipper that came off track without cutting, you'll be able to handle this common issue with ease. It's a handy skill to have, especially when you're in a hurry or don't want to spend money on a replacement. Take your time, work carefully, and your zipper will be good as new in no time.